Hey, welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to be building a bud vase to hang up on the wall and add a flower to for a great pop of color this winter. We're going to be using a piece of soft maple. It's got some really nice curly figure. It's got an ambrosia beetle mark with some nice streaking and some unique waves to it. Let's get into it. Alright, now I got the edges nice and smooth and the tear out reduced. Got the ends rounded over. Next thing I want to do is take these sharp edges on here, use a round over bit, get those a little bit softer. Then we'll work on the walnut piece for the holder. Alright, now I need to cut out the piece of walnut that I want to use for the vase holder. Got about 8 1/4 inches there. So the vase is about 1 inch in diameter. Probably going to want at least 2 1/4 inches there, and taper that down. Taper that down to 1 inch. At the bottom. Dimensions aren't super critical on this one. Well, not any of these really. But just whatever you think will look good. Alright, so the bandsaw leaves a little bit of a rough edge. I'm going to run that through the jointer. Alright, now that we've got the hole drilled out for the vase, I'm going to round over some of these corners. Kind of give it a little bit of a softer, more rounded shape. Everybody's favorite, sanding. Alright, now we got the board all sanded. We're going to attach our walnut vase holder to the base of this board. So I want this walnut piece to cover up that little blemish. I'm going to try screwing it in from the back. So first I want to center it. Make sure it's equidistant on both sides. I think that looks pretty good. Just gotta do a little bit more sanding, put a coat on.